You learn something new every day, like what we're gonna do today. What are we gonna learn?
Well, we're not learning anything. We're watching.
Okay.
We're not learning anything. So today, I have my friend Voxy. She's my half friend from London. English and Japanese half.
Yeah. I'm actually Iranian.
As you guys might know, we had TV Tokyo come to our Roppongi restaurant. I think I've explained why they. Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. It was a proud moment.
I know, I'm proud of you as well.
My mum didn't care at all. I actually spoke to her on the phone and said, TV Tokyo came to my restaurant, and then she was like, oh, have you lost weight? It was the first thing she actually said.
You're looking great, you're looking great, darling.
The show itself is called... Okay. In English, why did you come to Japan? If you watch Japanese TV, they're very like over the top. There's people commentating on it. You see like the little boxes with like the people's faces on it. So we wanted to make a video with that kind of formatting. So we're gonna review the footage that TV Tokyo took, and then we're gonna edit it into like a TV show, a Japanese TV show. This is called tenigui. Yeah, it's for your foreheads. I've watched this once. I was drunk when I watched it. And the annoying thing is, I normally fold this in half, so like, because it looks cooler when it's half. So I've got the whole bloody show with in the wrong manner.
Oh, I love how everybody gets like involved.
Yeah, I like the aesthetics, because ramen chefs always have sweatouts.
Yeah.
And it does get hot in the restaurants.
Yeah.
Because we have all the burners going.
Yeah.
So it gets really, really hot. That's why they're tenigui, because everyone's sweating it out.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Another thing is, look, this, it's terrible, right?
Yeah.
My staff, he's not with me anymore because of this. No, I didn't find it. I'm joking.
God.
No, I got someone else to redraw it, and this is the new version.
Boy.
And then this guy, he said, he was like, oh yeah, I'm really good at drawing. I do a bit of like, he makes graphics for companies sometimes.
Oh.
He showed me some of his work. Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
And I was checking the overnight cameras. He came in to the restaurant about 6 in the morning, drunk as anything. And then he started drawing this. So this is his drunk efforts. That's the reason why he's not actually with us. Okay, so here's the pork bones. Yeah, put on the elephant. Just give it a good couple of if you normal ramen shop, they come pre-cut.
Yeah.
But I wanted people to experience the bone breaking.
Honestly, that's a very unique experience.
Yeah, true. I think everyone loves this aspect. There's some people that don't like it because of the guts and stuff. Because that was just pork bones. We have chicken bones as well.
Yeah.
So you want your hands like this, yeah? Make sure you got gaps between your fingers, otherwise the cups will be too big. Oh look, there's. Oh my god.
Who is that?
That's Emma, my cameraman, on his phone. I'm glad we watched this footage,
Yeah.
Texting someone, God.
Do you know what? My biggest fit is feet. I'm so scared of feet.
Really?
I think they're so scary because like you don't know where they're gonna come out of next, you know?
So, are you right with guys in sandals?
Kind of a dick.
Oh really? Yeah, we're all in sandals, yeah.
It's okay, you guys look lovely.
Oh, the camera people loved her. She was so energetic. I can see the director like, follow her. They would have done the same to you if you were in the class.
Invite me next time. Why did you not invite me?
I haven't seen you in 2 years. I only started this business a year ago. Right, give it a go. Nice and straight.
Oh, that looks
there you
really
go.
fun.
This guy's my other chef. He's the main guy, Endo-San. He's been with me from day one.
He has a lot of faith in you.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god, what is that?
Yeah, we brand our eggs.
So fancy.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, I don't know why more ramen shops don't brand their eggs.
Honestly, it's very fancy. I quite like it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are they burnt? Oh, they're not burnt.
Oh, they look good.
Yeah, I don't think they're burnt. Why did I call it that? Oh yeah, okay, they are a little bit.
Slightly
Okay, only a little bit. That's the Choshu. Choshu is a pork belly.
Ooh, where do you source it from?
I make it. So Choshu, we have to make it because it takes like, depending how you make it, 4 to 18 hours. So I make it for them, but just to make it interactive, I bring the ham slicer and then roast it as well. Because no one gets to use a ham slicer really, unless you're in a kitchen. And there you go, and then we torch. Yeah. Because I love to bring all these things in, because I want to get people experiencing like what it's like in a kitchen, not just ramen. You know.
Gordon Ramsay style.
Yeah, everyone says that. Oh yeah, they were asking me about football. So, like, they're only for a year before coming to Tokyo. If I went to a pub, guys would go, "Oh, who do you support?" Like, "Oh, they watch football." They'll genuinely turn around and leave. Everyone watches football in England. They genuinely do hate me if I say I don't watch football. Happens all the time. I think when I came to Japan, so you know I'm from Brighton. Yeah. There's a Japanese football player on the Brighton football team.
Really?
Yeah.
Is he any good?
I don't know, because I don't watch football. But I left England, well, it wasn't the main reason, but I hate people talking to me about football in England. And I came here, I go, "Oh, I'm from Brighton." And Japanese would ask me, "Oh, the Brighton football team. It's got a Japanese person on it, right?" And I'm like, "Oh, no." So either country, they keep coming up to me. We're making Tantanmen that day. Tantanmen is a Chinese recipe. It's from Szechuan in particular. It's more like a sesame chili version of tonkotsu.
It looks so good.
Oh yeah, and we do black noodles as well.
Yeah, I was going to say, they're all different colours, aren't they?
We do different colours for different ramen. So Tantanmen is black noodles, Shoyu ramen is normal alkaline yellow noodles. And Tantanmen, you always get a spicy mince. So if you go to a good Tantanmen restaurant, you always get 2 spoons. Your normal chilinga, which is soup spoon, and then a porous spoon, so you're allowed to pick up the mince without the soup, for example. So you'll know what you've got based on the soups. And whether it's a good restaurant. If they don't give you a second spoon, they're not a good restaurant. Kanpai.
A beer?
Yeah. Mine was non-alcoholic, of course.
Okay.
I think it actually was. So I was nervous with the company now, the TV Tokyo. Oh, people do not know how to slurp, yeah.
I don't know how to slurp, actually.
You can't slurp?
I'm too British.
What's going on with...
I have to
All my guests have not been able to slurp, right? Everyone...
No, because it's such a taboo in
Yeah, it's rude in England. Yeah, it's rude in England.
It's so rude in England.
This scene's funny. It's me walking in the background. It looks like I'm trying to break into my own place.
I know, I was going to say, it looks quite funny.
Then later on, I sneak back out. It's because I went out for a cigarette. Oh, it's the end. There you go.
Wow.
It's fun though, right?
It looks fun, but also it looks really good food-wise as well. I'm usually quite fussy with food.
Oh yeah.
It looks so good.
Yeah, there you go. We have it. That was good. I think that was quite fun.
Yeah.
To make too fat. And then it has 2 little legs like this. You put the gyoza skin on top, put the filling in it, and then you press the button. It spins around.
Yes.
You've seen it?
I have.
It's quite viral.
But in Crazy Rich Asians, they hand make theirs because that's what family tradition is.
Ah, I don't know why you went there. But okay. Are you saying you're crazy rich then, huh?
Absolutely fucking not. My image of you was you couldn't really even speak Japanese.
What?
Yeah.
No,
Really, genuinely.
It's not true.
Genuinely, his pool was yeah, I don't speak Japanese. He's I'm half, but I don't speak Japanese.
No, it is not. No, it is not. No. I'm fluent. I was fluent from day one. Well, I was brought up only in Japanese. Let's get back to the video.
Okay.
Dissing my Japanese here. We're missing some vital parts. It's meant to be a commentary. So, TV Tokyo. Even the cameraman are laughing at it. TV Tokyo have been filming us. Yeah, they're going to be following us around. We're going to be breaking the world. Zach, can you stop laughing? Because you're putting us off.
You can watch it later. We'll send you the footage.
Oh, he's going to learn Zach.